Best Commercial Building Access Control System Guide. Access control systems are the most effective way to keep people from getting into your commercial building, office, or business. This guide is about 1. How do people keep from getting into places where they don't belong? Get in Commercial Building Access Control System for your building and business? Using Commercial Building Access Control System, you can keep your doors locked for safety, but they also make it easy for people who are supposed to be there to get in. The function of access control. Replace keys and provide easy access to restricted areas. 2. Type of access control for your commercial building. On-premises access control. These on-premises access control systems are ideal for high-security applications. Cloud-based access control. This system is less secure compared to an on-premises access system, and they are easier to use and maintain. On-edge access control. Web-enabled, on-edge access systems are very similar to the cloud-based access control system. Standalone access control. All the programming is done at the keypad level. Access control systems with mobile pass. Your cell phone is a credential. Smartphones, tablets, and even wearable gadgets such as Apple Watches become quick access credentials. 3. Best recommendation: where to install commercial access control systems. If you have a highly secure facility, we would recommend an on-premises access control system for your building. 4. How to select the right commercial access control company to install your access control system. Access control system for building changes the way your door operates and can pose a threat if it is not installed properly. 5. Nextler is the best commercial access control system and integrator. We make sure to understand your building behavior and need to provide the best access system installation. Save money and get the best access control solution that will fit your needs and budget. Call us today. This is the script for Best Commercial Building Access Control System Guide.